Hello, my dear children. In the previous class, we learned about different projects and programs which was introduced by the government of India in order to control poverty. Today, we are going to checking what are the measures which was introduced by the government of Kerala in order to control poverty. First of all, we want to check what is mean by public distribution system or PDS. Public distribution system provides food items and other essential commodities to people at reasonable prices, and the entire chain of such organizations are controlled by the government. Kerala and the public distribution system. Kerala is not self-sufficient in food, so we depend on other states for food. Kerala has a strong public distribution system to ensure food security. The public distribution outlets in Kerala supply rice, food products, and other essential commodities to the needy at fair price. There are many agencies functioning with the objective of providing essential commodities to the people at fair price. Some of them are familiar with you. That agencies are Civil Supplies Outlet, Horticorp, Supplyco Supermarket, Nanma Store, Needi Store, Labam Supplyco Market, Maveli Store, Triveni Supermarket, Triveni Floating Supermarket, etc. These are the major agencies under public distribution system. First one is Civil Supplies Outlet, which supplies rice, wheat, sugar, kerosene, etc. Second one, Horticorp, which supplies vegetables. Apart from this, Supplyco Supermarket, Nanma Store, Needi Store, Labam Supplyco Market, Maveli Store, Triveni Supermarket, and Triveni Floating Supermarket supplies all essential commodities. After that, we have to check what are the challenges to food production. Though the production and distribution of food are effectively managed by the public distribution system, that is PDS, our food production sector still faces certain challenges. Let us have a look at these challenges. Look at the collage given below. The first one is subsidy cut short farmers in crisis. Misuse of farmlands, steep downfall in food production. Third one, natural calamity, fall in food grain production. The last one, economic crisis, meager mechanization possible. This news collage given above displays some of the challenges faced by the food production sector. What are the challenges? First one, crop failures due to natural calamities. Second one, using agricultural land for non-agriculture purposes. Third one, reducing the rate of subsidies. Fourth one, unable to purchase agriculture machines. Fifth one, climate changes. Sixth one, unable to ensure crop insurance. And the last one is excessive use of fertilizers reducing soil fertility. It is essential that these issues and challenges be addressed to ensure food security by improving food production and distribution. Then, what is meant by Food Security Act? The Parliament passed the bill in 2013. The main features of Food Security Acts are food security is the legal obligation of the government. Ensure adequate, nutritious and high quality food items at fair price to all people. Availability of food is legal right of citizens. My dear children, this is all for today. In this class, we learned Kerala and the public distribution system and also check what are the challenges to food production sector.